If you got into a motorcycle, truck, or car accident case and want to pursue a personal injury claim, what elements do you need to establish in order to successfully pursue your claim? Hey folks, John Leppler here, personal injury lawyer right here in Pikesville, Maryland, and I represent my clients in their auto accident injury claims all over the state of Maryland. When potential clients call me, and current clients that I have, they always ask me, John, what do I need to actually show? What elements do I need to prove in order to successfully bring my personal injury claim? Well, there are 4 things that you need to establish in order to successfully pursue your claim and result in the insurance company settling your claim pre-trial, or you actually having a very good chance of winning at trial in front of a judge or jury. Number 1, you need to show that the other driver actually had a standard of care owed to you. Well, this is obvious. Every driver on the road, driving a truck, operating a motorcycle, driving a car, they have a standard of care that they owe to other motorists on the road, including, obviously, personal injury victims. Number 2, you need to show that the other driver, the defendant, actually breached that standard of care owed to you and other motorists on the road. What are some examples? You need to show that the other driver was actually negligent. You need to show that the other driver was negligent by failing to yield the right of way, maybe by running a stop sign, maybe running a red light, maybe not waiting for a car to proceed that was lawfully already in an intersection. There are a number of things that happen every day where drivers on the road are negligent, but it's your job to prove that their negligence was actually how the accident happened. Number 3, this is a legal term of art, but you need to show that the other driver's breach of their standard of care owed to you on the road, their negligence proximately caused your injuries. So what does that mean? You got to show that the other driver's negligence was the legal cause of the accident happening, and you actually suffered injuries from the accident. And you also need to show that you, as the personal injury claimant, were not in any way negligent and did not in any way contribute to the accident happening. What's a prime example here? Take a rear-end collision auto accident, for example. Let's say the personal injury claimant, my client, is the motor vehicle in front of the other driver. The other driver simply rear-ends my client. It is pretty clear and it is presumed that the other driver was negligent and my client contributed in no way whatsoever to the accident. Number 4, you need to show that the accident, the other driver's negligence caused your injuries and you actually suffered extensive injuries from the accident. Because of the accident, you incurred medical bills, you broke bones, you needed surgeries, you needed physical therapy, you needed time off from work for an extensive period of time, and you suffered grieving, pain, and suffering because of the injuries you suffered from the accident. All of these 4 things that I just went over with you, the standard of care by the other driver that's owed, the other driver breaching the standard of care and was negligent, the other driver's negligence proximally and actually causing the accident with no negligence by you contributing in any way, and you actually suffered injuries, are the 4 things that you actually need to show in order to successfully pursue your personal injury claim in the state of Maryland if you were injured in a motorcycle, truck, or car accident. If you or a loved one are looking to pursue a personal injury claim from an accident that you were involved in and no fault of your own, I urge you to consult a lawyer, and I urge you to give me a call at no cost to you.